TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Wednesday, November 4th, day after the election. And quite an election we got going on, folks, and it's still going on right now. As we got some swing states, they're still counting votes. We'll jump over to it in a moment in terms of the numbers, but the numbers in the market, quite an up day. S&Ps right now, we're about 20 points off the highs we made at about 12:30 this afternoon Eastern Time, but still the S&Ps, as I speak, up 99 points right now at 3460. That's a solid 2.9%. NASDAQ 100 up 4.6%, 11,786. Just this week, folks, Monday, we were below 11,000. You've gained 800-plus points in the NASDAQ 100. The Dow up 634 points, above 28,000. We were below 26,000 on Friday. 2,000 Dow points, just like that. Crude oil up $1.48, catching a bid at $39.14. Got the gold contract down $11 at $18.99. Gold with volatility in both directions. Silver off 35 cents at $23.97. Notes and bonds, quite the movement we've got, folks. The 10-year right now, up 27 ticks at 138.30. But you look at the move we had from trading lower initially last night. We're up a solid point and 10 ticks from that level. The 30-year, how about a solid 5 points? Tom and I were talking about it on the show this morning. We got 170.07 all the way up to 175.03. You're jumping around to the VIX. We'll kick it off with volatility index under 30. Hit a 28.03 low today, 29.53, a far cry from where we were in the 40s last week in the VIX. All right, lots of headlines coming across. You have the Trump campaign asking for a recount in Wisconsin. You have Trump suing to stop Michigan ballot counting, demanding access to tally sites. That's a headline I'm seeing hitting the tape right now. Jumping into the actual numbers, 238 to 214. That's where we're at right now. When you get into the actual numbers of the states, folks, I mean, look at these percentages. We're talking about Nevada, 49.49 when you just put a percentage. Georgia, 50.49. North Carolina, 50.49. Wisconsin, 50.49. Michigan, 50.49. Some of those numbers, Michigan right now, you have Vice President Biden leading by about 50,000 votes. You got Wisconsin, 21,000 votes is the lead for Vice President Biden, and it looks like 8,000 still the lead in Nevada. The battle is on. We'll see if it drags out in the courts or what happens from here. 2 hours left to go in the trading day, and quite a day we got, folks. S&P's up 100. Stay tuned. Dave White, Tom O'Brien, coming up next. Be right back.